Hey, what's up? So, it's day 16 and today we just walk around for a bit. Hinatid ko yung panganay ko sa kanyang lesson. So, I kinda walk back and forth. Andito yung stats. Wala lang. Just for record keeping. Para alam natin na totoo yung ginagawa natin challenge. Medyo nagre-recover pa rin tayo. But what I'm excited to tell you is that our Turning Rocks into a Million project ay uusad na. Akala nyo nakalimutan ko na yun, no? Hindi. Medyo pinagpahinga rin natin ng konti yung project kasi akala ko nung una madali. Pero hindi. We kind of paused the project for a bit. Well, may mga nasayang na days. Pero ngayong araw, minit natin yung isa sa mga DNM natin who wanted to exchange with our current item, yung painting ni Mr. Junico Paterna. And na-exchange na natin today. So, that's a really good thing. And, ayun, uusad na yung ating Turning Rocks into a Million project. Plus, daily pa rin tayong nag-grind dito sa ating The Cutting Kilos project. Which is, I think, medyo gumagana. Medyo gumagana. Kulang yung medyo, dapat gagana talaga. So, let's go. I'll see you. Bye.